I'm bored. I wanna fucking jump off the fucking balcony. I don't know what the fuck to do with myself. I'm bored. I'm stressed and depressed. Somebody come save me. I can't do this quarantine no more. And the worst full part, you know, I always enjoy being a side bitch, but this time are the worst part of my life. Are the worst part of my life when you can't have your own man. Because them one with them wife and pick me a quarantine and make P a savage video. Me hate them. I call them wife now. I call them wife and mash up them relationship. I mash up them happiness. You're not quarantine and chill on me over here. The person that take P anxiety pill. It nah happen. The whole way I mash up. No. No, Johnny. No. Nope. Me here to know. What no uphill happy life. Me here to know like pies. No go where. No man, they want my quarantine and shit. Me here to know like pies. Now that's why that's why I can mash up on the life. I can mash up on the life. Me use my vibrator and dildo them to them burn up. The whole of the battery that them mash up. Every single. The whole of my dildo them stop work. Me just lay down on the bed a while ago and the dildo look at me and said to me, say, I'm tired. And that's why I know I have a problem. No, I can't quarantine no more. I'm not attending at the house no more. I'm tired. But then I give no party. Me bring a buckle. Me bring a buckle of Ray and never rum cream. But then I keep, no, keep. No, to be like listen to me. It's all I own way. Not have no man. And not nobody for myself. Me I sell dildos and vibrators. You know, so many know say a day like this that come, Amanda. I knew it.
Right now, we have the time to fucking just go in until this shit is over.
Amanda, me use the vibrator till one time. You ever see when time live and grounds and lick, and I pay fire me ear and underneath me. And so me get up, and I look underneath me, just the pan. Under fire, me all under fire. Under fire, me all under fire. Amanda, me use the vibrator and dildo them to the poor little vibrator them and the bullet them. It just hear. And then that was it, pan the dildo. I'm gonna take a bit of the dildo when 11-inch. The poor little dildo, I'm turning to my ear. I'm an ear. I'm sorry. I am tired, Marky. Go and find your own man. I don't do it no more. I don't know what to do with myself. I don't know what to do with myself. I will never imagine the world would have come to this. I can't manage. I'm alone board, sir. People, I'm bored. I don't know what to do with myself. I don't know what the hell to do with myself.
No, hey, don't cover me.
I'm depressed! I'm stressed out! When you come see me before you come find my body in a bag. Now I got New York tomorrow. Because I know them New York girls are afraid of police. But one dance I keep. Now I keep a dance. I keep a side bitch dance. I want all of the man them sneak out and come. All of the married man them want to steef out and come at the dance. Come fulfill no fantasy. Because you know wife for the yard. You know some big bango draws. And the bonnet over her head. The pit them are stressing out. The pit them want to fuck help them play with the coloring book. Oh no stress out, just come at the singles dance. Side bitch and bottles. No dress code. Only nobody with the dress up thing. Socks and band is locked. Knee man's locked. We can't go teeth no clothes. Me I keep a lingerie party for all the side bitches. Me can't do this no more. Me stressed out. Me depressed. I'm fucking depressed. I'm bored as fuck. And this big nose dirty man living over me with them woman. I eat stupid and look at me sitting on your biscuit. Me eat like pies. What you swallow my head for? Eh? What you swallow my head for and tell me I'm cute? Eh? What you swallow my head for? And tell me say you're gonna leave your wife for me? Eh? And look for me now, I'm big and single and dirty and careless. Eh? Me I mash up your pussy clot life. You're not blood clot happy so. Me I mash up your life, me I call your wife. I'm on the Pamanikas. Palm second phone, I call Barbara. I'm gonna put my chest out dry yesterday, so I'm gonna call Barbara. I'm bored and depressed. I can't blood clot manage and live it here no more. Somebody come take me out of the house. Nobody can keep my dance in New York. Somebody can keep something in New York City. No, I can't manage this no more. When I come on live with me, I can kill off my blood clot self. Me I call Shirley. Me I got blood clot call him wife and mash up her theme life. When I know blood clot up in no quarantine and have me over here stressed and I know if I do my pussy clot self. Eh? You took me on shopping spree. Nigga took me on shopping fucking spree, Amanda.
Call her.
The man buy my blood clot bimmer. Buy me bimmer. Cause me never have no credit for going in a blood clot bimmer lad for go get no car. I me never have a deposit. Eh? Eh? Why must you do me like this? Why must you do me like this? All my life I had to fight. And you know when I eat stew peas. And I crackers me sit down and by myself. Depression and loneliness a kill me. Depression and loneliness a kill me. Me nah do this no more. Me a mash up your pussy clot. Hey, no side bitch, no come. Side bitches, me can't take 2 weeks. So all I know when I have no man for years, I own the function. All I know when I have no man. When I have no pitney. When I have no excitement in our life. I own the function so long. Eh? I don't really function so long. How much days is it, Amanda? 3 days?
No.
This are 3 blood clot days, the quarantine and depression I kill me. Me I call him blood clot wife. You're not happy, so me I mash up your whole of your life. Amanda, looking at my phone and look for the word big boss.
You said big balls?
Big no. Stop! Not big balls. Big boss.
Big boss. Alright.
Me I got blood clot called big boss wife. No, me I call him wife. Me I call him wife. This is not normal. Me not sitting with them depression, yeah. Hello? Where there? Yeah, me know say they were my quarantine with the wife. Me can ask you something? No, I'm not begging no money. Money can't help me right now. At the first thing in my life, I know you're not gonna believe, but at the first thing in my life, money can't help me. So, Ricky, what am I doing with myself now? I'm bored. I don't have nobody to hug up with you over there with your wife and the pit them. You jacket them, because I know it's not your daughter that. That is not your... What must I do with myself? I'm bored and lonely. What the fuck you mean you don't tell me a thing already? When me I tell you a thing, me I mash up your life. Me I mash up your life because me not have nothing for do. The dildo and the vibrator, they mash up. One of them catch fire underneath me. I need something to do with myself. You're very unfair. Eh? You can't tell us you gotta buy some gas. No. Me never signed a blood clot contract there. You say in the good times and the bad times. In any storm, we will weather it together. You know weather nothing with me because me alone the out up on the battlefield. And me I'm paid up in my house. And you lie down in your comfortable but I eat stupid and me there I eat cheese. No. Me I mash up your life. Me I mash up your life. No. Me no want no money. Me no want no money. Me want something else. Me want something more money can't help me right now. Put your wife on the phone. Yeah, me see. Put your wife on the phone. Put your wife on the phone. I just wanna congratulate her. Hello? Hi Shirley, this is Barbara. I was wondering if after all these years if we can talk to go over your relationship. They say that time will always heal me, but I ain't healed in a minute. You see, Barbara, your man, we have been involved for a very long time, and he is quite a man. He likes to eat with knife and fork. He told me you don't know how to suck dick, so it's something I help him with. It's quarantine time, and I am lonely, so please send him home. Hello from the other side. I wanna have some lonely time to tell you I'm sorry for mash up your life, but it's a pity you don't know the drunk you have in your life. No, man, I start mash up them. People me depressed. Me depressed, so I'm an art that tickle me because I the first thing in my lifestyle I don't know if I do my side bitch self. No, I wanna be real with me. I wanna be real with me. I'm me alone lonely and another man. I'm me alone depressed. I'm depressed. God know me never know some them breed that stress that could have reached me.
Maybe this will cheer you up.
Oh my God, how would that? Amanda, how would that?
Oh.
Jesus Christ. People, me use my dealer them to them mash up. Me use the whole, hey, if you don't put it on an order on my website, not a ounce of dealer and vibrate and a left back, and me use the whole of them mash them up. Me depressed at 3 days out of quarantine and I can't manage it. Stress and kill me. I want to come share an experience with me. Not the pussy clot. This is not normal. Something can really go say in a life. Something can really go say into life. Lie down in your blood clot house. I eat good stew peas. And I play with a pit in them. In a good pyjama. Wifey I blend up fruit punch game. And water me I drink Poland spring water. And you tell me see you can't go buy some gas. Since you don't know how to lie, I'm telling you how to lie to no woman. You go buy some gas, you buy the gas, and when you come back home, police stop you, your papers them never straight, so them lock you up. And I say you're spending that you stay in a jail for one night. In my sleep, the loneliness take me and wake me up. I can't do this. I'm depressed. I'm depressed. I'm lonely. Lonely will leave me alone. Lonely will leave me alone. Why tell me why? May I try other people, man, it's something at work. Why does my phone do this? You see, like it says add people, it's not pressing.